My name's Scott Kinsey, drummer for recording artist Chris Woodward. We play over 100 shows a year. With a schedule like that, I need a stick I can trust. Collision is that stick. I want to take the time to thank Carlton, Andrew, and the team over at Collision for the opportunity and look forward to building a lasting relationship. Can't wait to get back on the road and beat the snot out of these sticks. Rock and roll.
Hey there, Collision team. Scott Kinsey here from Chris Woodward and Shindiggin. Currently, I'm using the Collision 5B model drumstick. I've used 5Bs most of my life. I like the way they feel in my hand, the durability. Sticks I have here in my hand, I've played now for almost 90 days, and they're barely worn. So if you're looking for a durable stick, a long-lasting stick, you want to stick with the Collision team. So I encourage everybody out there to buy some Collision sticks. The video you're about to see is a clip from last night's show of us doing our version of Footloose, the title track from the movie Footloose. I hope you all enjoy it. Have a good evening.
Now I gotta cut loose, kick out the Sunday shoes, take it from me, yeah, come on before we crash, everybody can do it. We're playing so cool. Yeah.